Will.
Ryan.
Hey, man. What's up? How you
Not
doing?
much, man. How are you doing?
I haven't seen you in a while.
Yeah, it's been a while, right?
I don't think I've seen you since graduation.
Yeah, shit. It's been a long time.
How are you?
Nothing much has changed, dude. I'm doing pretty good.
That's great, man. I'm good too. Everything's good, and I'm feeling good. And
Oh, yeah.
I mean, how are you? You're good?
Yeah.
Good. You want to sit down or something?
I can't, man. I'm just about to go back to work.
Oh, okay. Well,
It's good seeing you, though, man.
Listen, I'm glad things are going well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Going really well.
Good.
Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. I am homeless and hungry. If you would please find it in your heart to spare some change for me, I would greatly appreciate it.
Sorry about that, man.
That's fine. Well, it's great to see you.
Good to see you, man. Hit me up on Facebook or something, all right?
Oh. Yeah. Here you go, man.
Thanks, man.
Facebook.
Facebook me, bro. Snapchat me, bro.